How to connect a custom domain to Lovable AI. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your very own custom domain to Lovable. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and log in and make sure you have a project. If you don't have a project, you can go ahead and select one from the community, or just type in right here in the search bar and it'll create a project for you. Now once you've created a project, you're going to open it up, right? And once it's opened up, here on the left hand side you can see right here you got a bunch of different options. But here on the left hand side at the top, you can see you have your domain right here. This is the Gain Guide Gym. Here, click on that project. It'll open up a drop down menu. I'll click on settings. It'll open up this settings right here. On the left hand side, you'll find domain. Click on domain, and here you have connect domain, add an existing domain over here. If you have one, and you can buy one as well. But if you have one, click on connect, select one of the plans, upgrade it, and then you can just simply go ahead and connect a domain, add the DNS records, and you should be good to go. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can connect a custom domain to Lovable. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.